My first time, I never ever knew that, I can go live on this thing. Let me make it brighter. I don't like the color. Let me go back to normal. Okay, anyway. Oh, seldom seen. Oh, that's you, Les. I didn't know who you was. Don't be disguising yourself. I'm gonna see if I get some new people on here. Hey, Nolan. Okay. All right. Oh my goodness. What? I am so surprised, y'all. Oh my gosh, it works. Y'all know how long I've been on YouTube and it never worked? What does that mean? I'm not really a YouTuber. I'm not. Maybe I can do a cooking show on here now just to see if people will. I don't know if I got to put tags. I may have to put tags, y'all. I'm not for sure. But I just may have to. Let me do Instagram. Let me see. Maybe. Okay, maybe this is a good way where I can get people from Instagram. Hit the like button on your way in, Candy's Land. Hi, Candy's Land. Okay, I got some new people. Hey, Miss Suzette. Hey, Miss Wanda. I see all my cook. I see my food friend. I see my food friends up in here. What's up? Oh, your little thing is cute, Miss Rashawn. So what can I? How can I like? Okay, hold up. Yeah, I'm excited. Shoot. Latanya. Hi, Yo Kitchen. Hello. Okay, let me know if y'all from Facebook or just let me know, okay? Let me know if you're a new viewer. Say new viewer. And if you're not a new viewer, just say food friend. If you are already my food friend, say food friend, okay? This is me, Candace from Facebook, with the pain cream. Hey, Candace. Okay, see, I don't know y'all on. I know y'all from Facebook. I don't really know y'all from new viewers. Seldom seen. You're not a new viewer. Seldom seen. Isn't that Les? Wasn't that Les? I can't see your real name on here. Don't be playing with me, Les. Yo, ain't that some shit? Okay, Candy Land say hit the. Okay, y'all. Everybody that's on here, make sure y'all subscribe to my channel. All right. I've been on here for. I've been on YouTube since. I've been on here for a long time. Food friend, thank you. Let me know that you're my food friend. Say food friend. If you new, say new viewer. Okay. I don't know if I'm attracting new viewers this way. I don't know. But just in case, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. I don't know how this thing, y'all, I don't know how this works. I'm not a YouTuber at all. YouTube has changed up so much. Yes, have IG, YouTube, and Facebook going at the same time. Don't ask me how, though. Oh, really? Well, okay, so what I did, I sent y'all like an invite. So I said, there you go, Chris. Hey, Chris. Chris, your little picture is different on here. Everybody picture is different on here. We got the red lights going. We got the red light going tonight, y'all. Red light. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Oh, my goodness. I never been. Y'all don't understand why I'm excited. I have never gone live. See, what happened was I need to add a picture. Please do. Yes, because seldom seen. I was like, who is that? Thank y'all. Please, I think everybody invited on here is my food friend. I didn't invite like any. I invited a few people from Let me see. From IG.